Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji V, aka Designer Mom. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 favorite scents that are everyday easy read scents. So if you're looking for perfumes that are great to wear to work or running errands, stick around and watch this video. So the first fragrance we're going to be talking about is Versace Dylan Purple. I love this fragrance. This was launched in 2022. It's actually a fruity floral fragrance for women. This fragrance I love to wear every day because it's so fresh and fruity and just a simple, easy, clean perfume to wear, whether to work or just going out. I think you'll love this fragrance for your everyday collection. So let's jump into the top notes. The top notes are pear, bitter orange, and bergamot. I love the way this fragrance performs at the top. It's such a fun, fruity, floral, fresh scent. Initially, when you spray this, you're just gonna get a nice, clean burst of just fruitiness and floralness. So let's jump into the middle notes. The middle notes are freesia, mahonial, and pomerose. So with the mahonial and the pomerose, you get like a floral vibe from this fragrance, but with the freesia, that's where you get the sweet fruitiness with this fragrance as well. So I think you'll love this as an everyday scent because of these beautiful notes in the middle. So let's jump into the middle notes of this fragrance. The middle notes are ambroxan, silkalide, Virginia cider, and bellabra tree. Not familiar with that note. But overall, with the base notes, you get kind of a warm vibe with this fruity scent. So I think you'll love this as an everyday perfume. So let's jump into the sillage and the longevity of this fragrance. Overall, you get 6 to 8 hours of just fruity, clean freshness from this fragrance. I just love this as an everyday scent. The sillage is pretty much moderate. You get a nice projection from it. So overall, I think you'll love this as an everyday scent. So the next fragrance we're going to be talking about is by Victor & Rolf. This one is Flowerbomb Ruby Orchid. This is one of my favorite scents to wear every day. This fragrance was launched in 2021. This fragrance is considered a fruity, floral, gourmand fragrance for women. So this fragrance I love to wear every day. It just have this fun, fruity, vanilla base to it. It's just such a warm, rich, creamy type of perfume. So I think you'll love this fragrance as an everyday scent. So the top notes of this fragrance are peach and vine. You do get a nice burst of peachiness when you initially spray this fragrance. So the middle note of this fragrance is orchid. The orchid reminds me of like a spicy type of floral scent. So I think that's where this fragrance is so different and just a great everyday scent, and I'll always have this in my collection. The orchid just gives it a nice fruity yet spicy kind of scent. And then the base note is vanilla bean. That's where you get a nice warm vibe from this fragrance, especially the vanilla. The vanilla is just so beautiful in this fragrance. I just love this as an everyday scent. So with the vanilla, the orchid, which is the spiciness, and then the peach, which is the fruitiness, it's like the perfect blend of an everyday scent. So let's jump into the longevity and the sillage of this fragrance. You get 6 to 8 hours, which is an all-day wear, which is what you really need as an everyday scent. Who doesn't want to smell great for 6 to 8 hours without, reapplying any perfume? And then the sillage is moderate. You get a nice projection as well. So with the projection, you're just gonna have a nice vanilla base aura. You're just gonna smell spicy and fruity and just like vanilla. So I think you'll love this scent as an everyday staple in your perfume collection. So the next fragrance we're going to be talking about is by Giorgio Armani. This one is called My Way. This fragrance was launched in 2020 as a floral fragrance for women. This fragrance I love to wear every day because it has such a just a fresh kind of citrusy fun vibe as well, which is nice and clean as an everyday scent. So the top notes are orange blossom and bergamot. Like I said, the orange blossom is where you get a nice citrus bright burst from this fragrance. It's just a clean, fun, fresh scent. So the middle notes are tuberose and Indian jasmine. With the Indian jasmine, that's where the sweetness of this fragrance performs. It's just such a beautiful scent. With the orange blossom and the Indian jasmine, it's just such a great marriage of scent. And then the middle notes are white musk, Virginian cedar, and of course one of my favorite notes, Madagascar vanilla. Any perfume with Madagascar vanilla is just gonna smell awesome and just fabulous, because that's like one of the most expensive vanilla note you could place in a perfume. So whenever you see a fragrance with Madagascar vanilla, just know it's gonna smell fabulous. And with that being said, with this Madagascar vanilla in this fragrance, it's just such a warm, nice base in this fragrance, with the orange blossom, the Indian jasmine, and of course the Madagascar vanilla, because I don't smell any white musk in this at all. You're just gonna get a nice vanilla based fragrance that is floral, but yet it has a nice, you know, citrus bite at the top. So I think you'll love this as an everyday scent. So let's jump into the longevity and the sillage. The longevity, of course, is 6 to 8 hours. You get an all-day wear from this fragrance. And of course, the sillage is moderate. The projection is just a nice floral vanilla scent. You get a nice vanilla aroma from this perfume, which you'll love. So if you want to smell nice and citrusy, and also like, you know, vanilla as well, you'll love this fragrance to add to your everyday perfume collection. So one of my next fragrances to wear every day is by Coach. This is called Coach Dream Sunset. This fragrance I love as an everyday scent. It's such a beautiful floral amber type of scent, which you'll love as an everyday perfume. This fragrance was launched in 2021 and it was actually created by Natalie Lorson. She's like one of the greatest perfumer out there. She's one of the top perfumers out there. I mean, for me anyway. She creates just these great vanilla based scents that I love. So I think you'll love this fragrance too as well. So the top notes are pear ice cream and bergamot. This is such a creamy, fruity scent. I just love the way this fragrance performs at the top. It's just a beautiful, creamy, rich, warm scent that you'll love. It's not too sweet, it's not too fruity. It's just a nice combination to wear, especially during the summer. This is like a late summer, early fall type of perfume, and it's also great to wear every day as well. If you want to have that nice, creamy, you know, warm vanilla scent. And then the middle notes are magnolia and jasmine sambac. With the jasmine, you get just a hint of sweetness. It's very soft. It's not overpowering. It's just a very soft, creamy type of sweetness, which is what I love in this fragrance. Then the base notes are tonka bean and vanilla. With the tonka bean and vanilla, you get such a warm, rich, creamy vibe with this fragrance. So with the pear ice cream and the vanilla, it's just a warm, beautiful scent to wear every day. It's rich, it's creamy, it's fruity as well with a hint of sweetness. So I think you'll love to add this as an everyday read. Let's jump into the longevity and the sillage. The longevity is 6 to 8 hours. You get a nice all-day wear from this fragrance. And also the sillage is moderate. The projection is just beautiful. You just get creamy richness, vanilla-ness. I don't know what I'm just making up words at this point, but it's just a nice creamy scent that you could wear every day, especially if you just want to smell nice and warm and just creamy and just have a nice warm vanilla vibe. I think you'll love this as an everyday scent. So here's another fragrance that I love to wear every day. This one is by Michael Kors. It's called Sparkling Blush. This one was launched in 2018 as a floral amber type of fragrance for women. This fragrance is just such a beautiful scent to wear every day. It just starts off, it has a nice sparkle at the top, just like the name of the perfume. So overall, I think you'll love this as an everyday scent. So the top notes are lychee, pear, pink pepper, and bergamot. That's where you kind of get a nice fruitiness from this fragrance. The pear gives it a nice, clean, just fresh vibe at the top, which you'll love. And then the middle notes are frangipani, magnolia, lily, rose, and jasmine. That's where you get a nice sweet vibe from this fragrance as well. I think overall with the peach, the lychee, and also the jasmine, you get a nice like fruity yet sweetness from this fragrance as well. Even though they say it's floral, I think it's more of a fruity type of fragrance. And then the base notes are amber, vividor, sandalwood, and vanilla. Now with the vanilla, you get a warm, rich vibe from this fragrance. It's just such a warm, beautiful scent to wear every day. And also, if you love fragrances with vanilla, you'll love this fragrance as an everyday scent. So let's jump into the longevity and the sillage. The longevity is 6 to 8 hours. You get a nice all-day wear from this fragrance. And also the sillage is moderate. You get a nice projection. So it's not overbearing, it's not obnoxious. You just get a nice vibe from this fragrance. So I think you should add this to your everyday perfume collection. So one of my next favorite fragrance to wear is by Glossier. It's called You. Now this is supposed to be unique to your scent. So on everyone it's gonna smell different, especially with your body chemistry. But I love this as an everyday scent. It's just so different. This fragrance is great as an everyday scent because it's just so easy to wear and it's unique to you. So I think you'll love to add this to your collection. So some of the notes of this fragrance is pink pepper, Irish, and amber seeds. That's where you just get a nice warm vibe from this fragrance. I just think it's just a great fun, clean scent to wear every day. I don't know how to describe it. It just smells just so pretty. It's just such a pretty, fun, girly scent to wear, pretty much. So let's jump into the longevity and the sillage. The longevity is 6 to 8 hours. You're gonna get compliments. This is just a great smelling fragrance to wear every day. The sillage is beautiful, it's moderate. You get a nice projection. You just get this nice, clean, luxurious, feminine scent that you'll love from this fragrance. So you guys, those are my top 6 scents that I consider as everyday easy reach. So I think you guys would love these perfumes to add to your perfume collection. So I want to thank you guys for watching. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.